What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm back with another strategy that we're going to be using for scalping indices. Okay, we're going to be scalping synthetic indices using what? This strategy. Okay, so this strategy has three simple rules that we are going to be following. Three indicators, three simple rules for each one indicator. Okay, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So for the three rules, one of the rules is that the candlesticks must be above what? The EMA, right? Right here. The candlesticks must be for a buy. That is for this is for a buy. The candlesticks must be above what? The moving average, the black moving average right there. Okay. And then for the second indicator, for a buy, this is I'm only talking for a buy in this instance. For the MACD indicator, the histogram, these gray lines in the EMA, but especially the histogram, the gray bars, they must be above what? The zero level here. Okay, they must be above what? The zero level right there. Okay, and then for the stochastic indicator, okay, for the stochastic indicator, we're only going to be buying when our stochastic indicator comes back to this what? Below this what? 20 level right there, like there, like there, right? So once all these what conditions are met, we take out our buy position, right? So stay tuned and watch till the end, right? So for sale confirmations, we're going to be the same rules apply. Candlesticks must be below the black moving average right there, right? Then our MACD histogram must be below the zero level, and then now for our stochastic the stochastics must be above the level level 80 for us to check out our sales, right? So those are the three confirmations that we're going to be need in order to become profitable. Okay, so let me jump into it. Let me show you the settings for these indicators, right? Let me just delete everything that way we start afresh together. Okay, so done. My chart is blank as you can see, right? Now let's add our indicators. Right. So for the moving average, we're going to be using the moving average with period 50, shift 0, exponential, apply to close. Color, I use black. You can choose any color of your choice depending on your preferences. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I advise you to subscribe for you to get more content like this. Okay. So for the second moving average, which is the MACD indicator, we're going to add the MACD indicator with the following upper parameters, right? First EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close, then those colors, right? So we click what? Done, right? We've got two moving averages right there. Now for the stochastic indicator, for the third and last indicator, we're going to add the stochastic indicator, right? We've got the first period 5, 3, 3. Yeah, just can take a screenshot for you to insert the indicators later after watching the whole video, right? Then click done, right? Now this is what your indicators are supposed to look like. Now for the entries, right? As I said in previously, for the buy, the candlesticks must be above this moving average, right? The black moving average, right? That's our first confirmation. When our first confirmation is made, we look for we look at the second indicator right there. First indicator window 1, right? MACD histogram is above the level 0, right? Now we're only waiting for the third confirmation to be made. We do not enter when the stochastic crosses above above the 20 level right there. We only wait when the stochastic comes back to this to these levels right there, right here, right here, right. So we're only going to, for our buys, we're only going to be waiting for the the stochastic indicator to come back to the what? To the 20 level for us to enter what? Our buys, and the other confirmations has to be what? To be made for this trade to be what? Profitable, right? So right here, this is where we are going to be entering, right? So our confirmations, most of our confirmations have been made right here, right? Now we're only going to be entering what? When the stochastic comes back to the what? To the 20 level. So we're only entering right here, right? That's what our first entry, right? And then we hold the trade, and it came back what? To this level here. So as for me, my take profit, I usually have a price action point of view of it, but I'm only going to be, since I know that it's going to be buying for what? For a long time, I'm only going, when I enter my buys here, I hold, and then when the stochastic comes back to the level what? 20, I keep on what? Adding my positions and adjusting what? My stop loss to be above what? The entries, right? So right here, where the entries that I got here, right here, I will be shifting my stop loss right here when this what? High gets broken, right? So when this high gets broken, I'm moving what? My stop loss right here, above here. I will be moving my stop loss here. So we've got another entry right there, right here. I move my stop loss here. Since what? This high has been broken, we've created what? Another higher high, right? So that's what I will be doing. I will keep on what? Adjusting what? My stop loss. Okay. Or for you to exit the trade, you wait for the what? When the MACD histogram right here goes below the what? The level 0, it confirms that what? We are now in a what? In a downtrend. We are baking a downtrend. Or, and as you can see, the EMA, the black EMA, the candlesticks are below the what? The black EMA, right? So I'll be exiting what? All my buys, and I'll also start looking for what? For the sale confirmations, because what? The trend has gone back to what? To a sale right there. So yeah, a sale, we got a sale, and I wait for my stochastic to be above the what? The level 80, right? I enter my sales. So this is quite simple. You can backtest it and try it out on demo before trying going live, right? So that you'll be more confident with this strategy. Let me show you on let's go to, let's use B25, right? So here, I think my charts haven't updated, right? Right here, our first confirmation, candlesticks go below the what? The black EMA. Second confirmation, MACD histogram below the what? MACD histogram below the 0 level, right there, right? For our first entry, the stochastic above the what? 80 level, we enter what? Our sales. Even here is close to the what? To the 80 level. You can also take what? You can also take that trade, and you exit when the what? MACD histogram, these bars go above what? The 0 level again. That's when you exit what? All your entries, right? So you can keep on what? Adding more what? More positions, as long as you what? When the stochastic indicator comes back to the what? To the 80 level. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing. It's quite simple. Try it out on demo before you go live. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I recommend that you consider subscribing. Okay. So that's it for this video. Let's look at this one now. We've got what? Sorry. We've got candlesticks above the what? 50 level. MACD histogram above what? The 0 level. Right. Now we're only waiting for what? For the stochastic to be below the 20 level. Which means we've got what? An entry here, an entry there. Right. So you keep on what? Entering until what? See. So we've been holding from here up to there. So as you can see, it's quite profitable, and we exit right here when the MACD histogram goes below the what? Below the 0 level, and our candlesticks go below the 50 MA. So That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.